Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a calendar in Notion. And that's pretty easy. So simply open the Notion app and go to the page that you want to add a calendar. And in the left side, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on here and type here slash calendar. And you can see this calendar view. Simply tap on here. And here you can see they have added a calendar. And if you want, you can always choose a new calendar. Simply tap on this plus new calendar option. And here you can change this name. Simply tap on rename. And that's it. So as you can see, this is a very simple calendar. And just go to the date that you want to add any special moment or in your special day. Whenever you are on a date, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on here and give the title of your anything. It can be anything, a memorable day. And here you can see a text option. You can change this and give a time of. So here you can see this date. In this date, you have added a in your memorable list. You can always do this any kind of your date wherever you want to choose. So that's a pretty easy way how you can add a calendar in a Notion. So hope this video find you helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections and keep in touch with us for more tips and tricks.